keep right. Stay the course. Hazard reported ahead. Eyes up. This could be a trap. In 1 mile. Keep left. Eyes up. Keep left. Eyes up.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I decided to take a little bit of a break, a little detour, and so we can get a little bit more practice in here. Being in the garage the whole time, working on the cars and stuff like that. And we beat the motorcycle guys too, so they're just coming in. But we're gonna stay kind of close up here, and hopefully some of the rest of these people who are learning how to drive gotta claim the spot. I claim the spot. But let me get a nice little back in the F82. So let's get some practice in. I don't know how long we're gonna be able to stay out here, but as the day keeps going on, it's gonna become more and more crowded. So let's get in a couple of, I already did like a little bit of a warm-up lap. So just gotta keep going. Let's put this chair back really quick. Growling, and they know what I'm about to do. Let's go. to get the figure eight. Okay. Woo. Oh, this thumbnail is gonna be sick. We just had a random BMW driver pull up, man, and he's pretty cool. Bro, what's your name?
Shiraz.
Shiraz? Yeah.
Oh, you got a lot of thread there.
Yeah. So
Shiraz, what's your name?
My name is Ernie.
Ernie?
Ernie.
Ernie.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too. But yeah, I just threw on some really shitty tires, bro. These tires are like,
It's not bad. They're gonna change and swap it back?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You vlog?
Yeah, I vlog. I just run around.
YouTube.
It's KyngCoupe. Or KYNG.
Hold on, let me go to
KyngCoupe.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Sorry, but I put the bug spray and it's like all white on me, like, you know?
It's alright, man.
I only got mid height and trying to get down, but Akrapovic is the one that I want, the catless. They only
Dude.
sell it in Europe.
Yeah, you trying to. Way better. Sounds way better than the way the F series sounds. That's the F58, right? Yeah, F58. Yeah. Jeez. Don't worry,
I love
boys.
this too. Like
Yeah.
you can put spoilers and it'll make it look nicer, like the big spoilers.
Yeah.
The ones that I'm talking about. Like,
Yeah. I have plans to. I already bought one that's sitting in the
yeah,
garage.
got carbon too. Look at that.
Yeah. So I
Got a carbon hood, so it's like I want to
yeah,
paint
that's what I was
match.
saying. So that doesn't come stock with it.
No,
This is
I
with the-
bought this for 2000.
Super aggressive. It looks really aggressive.
Yeah.
This down here too. Super aggressive.
Thank you. I need to watch the car too.
Damn. You gonna spin it?
I'll try my best.
Yeah. Let's go around. Like, can I get in?
Yeah, hold on. Let me just. Come on, bro.
All right. Oh, look at that display. This is my first time in a G80. That's crazy. These cars came out when, and that's my first time getting in one. I should be ashamed of myself.
I'll try. Don't judge me.
Nah,
I'm still
bro.
learning.
Nah, that's cool, bro. But I'll just tell you a little bit of what I've learned from just watching other people and going to these car shows and whatnot. You just want to come wide, and if you can take it wide and maintain that.
Let's try.
Okay. No. Just start going around in a circle. Start going around it in a circle, and you're gonna use the inertia to like
And then spin it, right?
kick it out. Yeah. So you'll go around slowly, and then start picking up speed. Start picking up more speed. Start picking up more speed, more speed, more speed until it breaks traction. Keep going. Yeah. That's pretty
I
much
see what
it.
you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me get the hang of it.
All right.
Let me use the other one.
All right.
I think I'm pressing the gas a little less.
Yeah. So you need to give it just a little bit more gas. Yeah, that's too much. Too much. mean, he's already a master at this. He's finessing me.
You see, like when there's like a spot that I need to go around it,
Yeah.
I can. But when it's free space,
Yeah.
I could do like a little spin.
Yeah, that's how I first started, and then
But then the goal is to do that, right? Put the cone, go around it, have like an object that you can go around.
yeah,
That's the next step.
and do like the figure eights around the cones, and good man, shit. You gotta love it, man. I'm telling you. Right now. All right, so we came out here, met another BMW owner, and like BMW community is Z-Dax. So that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Gotta get back in the garage and keep on working. I had to come out. We got the airplane guys here. We got the guys on motorcycles here. So I'm just glad. All right, that's gonna be it. See you guys in the next one.